Hey everybody, it's Brad, Bama minivanner, pulling my trailer, heading back to Alabama today. I won't make it back all the way. I'm going to stop in Fort Stockton first and probably stay at a rest area or somewhere between Junction and Houston. I may just go ahead and just make a short drive and stay in Junction for a night. But anyway, appreciate everybody's support. Yeah, and everybody, giving me that pat on the back on Facebook and stuff. What can I say? Been an epic trip. I don't have any regrets, anything. I mean, there's some things I wished I would have done, but I've seen everything that I really wanted to see on this trip. Believe me, this has been a purely epic trip. But I'm excited to go home. Okay, well, I got friends I ain't seen in a month, so people I care about, I want to go and see them. So I like the idea of having a home base and having a place to prepare for my next trip, and that's the way I'm gonna keep it for right now. So, and I'll see everybody in Alabama.
Here I am. I'm at Fort Stockton Walmart, and if you think that Walmart has stopped all camping overnight parking in their establishments, it's not true for this Fort Walmart. I got my trailer. They got one parked behind me over there, and we got about 7 or 8 on the other side. So
yeah, I spent the night here in Fort Stockton, Texas, and I'm about to leave from here. As you can see, I was not by myself as far as campers go. Take a little right here, and you can see a bunch more. So if anybody tells you you can't stay the night at a Walmart, say you can in Fort Stockton, Texas. And that's all I have to say for that. I'm about to embark the journey to Junction, Texas, one of my favorite little overnight camping spots. And I want to make this a 4-day trip home instead of a 3-day. I don't want to overdrive myself. And so, this person got my spot right here. But I'm gonna take advantage of this cheap Walmart gas and head that way. That's one of the coolest views coming in. I know my camera's a little shaking. This is kind of a rough road here. But going into Junction, Texas, this will be the 3rd time I've come over here to camp. In fact, I cut my trip off. I drove 10 hours yesterday, and I'm only going about 4 hours today. But I love this camping area very much. So, but that big bridge, we're gonna go across the lake, and find me a place to camp. I'm excited. I like this place. And it's only like 12:30 in the afternoon, so you know, I can do some stuff and relax and enjoy my campsite. Crossing the South Llano River, or Llano River, I don't know how it's pronounced, but it's pretty neat to cross this bridge, like an old bridge. So this is two places, Fort Stockton and Junction, Texas, within 3-4 hours of each other, and you can camp for free. You have the Walmart that I showed you earlier in Fort Stockton, and this place here is the city park called Shriner Park, and you can camp here for 3 days. There's no hookups, it's dry camping, but it's really nice. Let me look at it's the hill country in Texas, and it's just you know, it's pretty scenic. They have bathrooms, and I mean, they're set up. Camping limited to 3 days. And I see a couple of campers already here. And I'll probably end up staying at the same spot that I stayed at the last time. I think the road is still closed here. I came here last time almost a month ago and the road was closed. So, yeah, it's still closed. But that's okay. I can, I'll stay at the same place I stayed at last time. They're doing some kind of work over here. I don't really know what. But, that's quite all right. Like a good spot to me right here. I don't know. I think I'm gonna pull up to the next one. It looks a tad bit drier, and I'm right in front of the dam. And this is exactly where I camped the last time. And it's fairly level. Get right up underneath this tree right here. Alright, this looks like home to me. I know I've shown you films of this before, but I love the way this little area is set up. And you got this dam right here. Of course, they got everything roped off now, because I think some people got messed up trying to walk across this dam, so I don't think they really allow any swimming or anything right now, or swim at your own risk, but you can't walk on the dam. And the bridge that I went over, and this is it right here. A sweet little city park. Camp for free, 3 days for free. Yeah, this is looking out my window in Junction, Texas at the city park, and this is my view. It's pretty cool. Well, there you have it. Two places within 4 hours of each other that you can stay and camp for free in West Texas, and I'm sure there's more. I mean, along the interstate, you can stop at any for the rest area or truck stop, basically. And I think you'll be fine. I know all the rest areas you can stay at with no problems. And just wanted to say that and appreciate your viewing my videos. I'll be back home in Alabama, and I'll be putting out some a lot of videos. I've got a lot of content that I haven't touched yet, so stay tuned for that. And everybody have a nice day, and thank you for watching.